Good morning. My name is Dr. Kashif Rizvi and I'm a consultant from UK. This is a brief update regarding COVID-19 vaccines. Please remember that vaccinations, not vaccines, will save lives. They have saved millions of lives and humanity from terrible diseases like smallpox, measles, mumps, chickenpox, polio, etc. in the past. But the older vaccines have traditionally used dead germs or germs which are unable to infect. When they are injected, they trigger the body's defenses and hence the immunity is created. This process of vaccine preparation takes several years and is virtually impossible to be prepared on a massive scale applicable on billions of people. It's also prone to side effects due to presence of infective particles within it, plus the liquid it is carried in, for example, mercury. COVID-19 virus, on the other hand, carries a unique spike structure, that's the sticky bits that you all must have seen, which enables it to enter the human cells, sometimes to devastating effects. This spike carries an instruction for the virus to reproduce itself, and it's referred to as messenger RNA. Fortunately, the same spike provided the scientists to create a completely new idea of how to defeat this menacing virus. They took a small portion from this spike, the messenger RNA, and put it inside a small bit of fat and froze this nanometer, which is a very small particle, for stability and injected it into the body. The body is then fooled into believing that the spike of coronavirus alongside the entire virus has arrived, which kicks the body's immunity into action, and the immunity is created within 2 doses taken a couple of weeks apart. This vaccine does not carry the potential side effects of the older vaccines. That's why it's gaining quick approval from all the regulatory bodies around the world. The same principle will actually be utilized in the future to treat several cancers. As with anything new, there are unknowns with these vaccines. There could potentially be minor side effects like allergy to the fat which is surrounding this messenger RNA. It could also cause allergies in people who are prone to have severe allergic reactions from their history, and there is no long-term safety data in pregnant women and small children. At the moment, the rate of allergies from these vaccines appears to be 6 in 1,000 patients in the vaccinated group compared to 5 in 1,000 people in placebo or dummy group, which is literally a very small difference. This vaccine also has to be kept at a very low, below freezing temperature to protect the messenger RNA and the fat molecule surrounding it, and this can lose effectiveness if the supply chain is poorly managed. So it poses a logistical challenge. There is no instructions encoded in this vaccine to turn you into a robot or to track your movements or to render you infertile, as coronavirus does not carry any such instructions in its spike, and the messenger RNA cannot interfere with your DNA as it does not enter the human cell's nucleus. There are many other subtypes of vaccines like the Chinese or Russian or UK AstraZeneca one, which follow the older vaccine models, so they are a little less effective but cheaper and easy to store. But we will need all we can, as 90% of us are susceptible to COVID-19, and we need 70% of us vaccinated, which is 5.6 billion people, to create the herd immunity and end this dreadful pandemic. So please take the vaccine and celebrate this astonishing success of science, which delivered these vaccines within 9 months when the normal process takes several decades. Kindly share this message. Thank you.